Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a nourishing banana hair mask. I'm so excited to show you guys this wonderful mask. Let's get started. Okay, so bananas are great. They're excellent for your hair and your scalp. They improve manageability, they improve shine, they prevent and control dandruff, and it also moisturizes your scalp. Bananas are rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates, and vitamins, which actually help to soften the hair and protect the hair's natural elasticity. Overall, that prevents split ends and prevents breakage. And if you haven't heard of all the wonderful, amazing benefits that aloe vera, pure aloe vera from the leaf, what it can provide for your hair, well, I'm going to tell you. So aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. It has fatty acids, amino acids, and it's also rich in vitamins A, B12, C, and E. So these all play a part in healthy hair follicles. And I'm just going to say aloe vera has been my holy grail when it comes to my hair growth. That's what ultimately helped me to achieve waist-length hair, because I spray it to my scalp. I also spray it in my hair. It works as a wonderful conditioner, and it also cleanses your scalp. So here you see I'm just mixing up the bananas with the aloe, and then I'm also adding hemp seed. You can see the wonderful benefits on screen, as well as olive oil. And so you can see I'm mixing this up, and this mixture is a super potent, powerful, nourishing hair mask for your hair. I would say that this part is also crucial because you don't want little particles of banana or any type of aloe strings to get in your hair. So definitely take a cheesecloth and strain all of that pulp out. So you're just left with the nutrients and the juice here. I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of each of the oils into the mix. Okay, so I wasn't quite ready to use the mix the day that I made it, so I left it in the fridge for a day, and that's why the color is a little brown. The consistency, as you saw, was a little bit watery. If you'd like a thicker consistency, just add another banana, but this consistency works fine for me. So I just start with the roots, and I go all the way down to the length of the hair, making sure to coat everything. So it's best to leave this mix in for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, and I usually cover my hair with a cap. So let me tell you, after I finished with this mix, my hair was so soft. Like it just softens up your hair and makes it more manageable and easy to detangle. I'm just pointing out, yes, with 4C hair, the hair shrinkage, my hair can be maybe 3 inches, but then when I stretch it, it's close to, I don't even know how much inches it is now, but it comes far past my waist. So I'm always putting my hair in some type of a stretched state to minimize the tangles. Okay, and after this mask, I always put a oil that is able to penetrate through my hair shaft, whether it be olive oil or avocado oil, or I don't use coconut oil, but that's the 3 oils that penetrate the hair shaft. And then after this, I just leave my hair alone. I braid it up in 22 braids. It's now detangled, it's washed, it's conditioned, and I leave it there for about 3 weeks. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys.